Today I'm making protein balls. These ones are peanut butter based. Do I have to say may contain nuts? No, I should say definitely contains nuts. There's the ingredients: some rolled oats, some peanut butter, honey, dried fruit, chia seeds, vanilla extract, and at the end I'll decorate them with some dark chocolate. I mean, you could miss off the dark chocolate, but why would you? Right, all the ingredients into one bowl. There they all go. And then I discovered that the best way to mix it all together is by hand. Yes, that's messy, but you get to lick your fingers. And wait for it, I'm going to speed that up now. Here we go, ready, get ready for it. It's going to speed up, get ready, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I love it. How did I do that? I must remember for another time. Combine it all together. And then once it's all together, here we are. It's time to break off as much as you want in your snack. Now I'm going to say go smaller rather than larger. Probably we're talking a small walnut size, okay? And you're probably, from that list of ingredients, going to make 15, 18 balls. There they all are. Speed it up again. Hey, I love it. And decorate with chocolate. Keep them in the fridge and enjoy them after exercising. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the thumbs up. And I do appreciate some comments.